Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix once human crashing to desktop problem. Let's fix it guys. The solution consists of three steps. First step, you just need to go to search menu and type graphics settings. Click on open it. Select browse. You just need to go to C drive, programs, files, x86 folder. Find Steam folder, Steam apps folder, and double click on the common folder, once human folder. Just need to click on the once human.exe and select add. After adding the once human, you just need to select option and select high performance, and after that select save to save changes and just to close stuff here. The second step is to update your graphics card. To do this, for NVIDIA users, open the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open the AMD software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After updating your graphics card, just to close stuff here. The third step is to add launch option. To do this, open up Steam, right click on the once human and select properties. Check my video description for this launch option used in my video. Just to copy and paste it under the launch options and click on outside to save it and just to close stuff here and launch the once human and check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.